Maulana Qasim Sema in South Africa, early 1970s, 80s, early 80s. He was coming from India to South Africa by ship, and it so happened in the waves, etc., the ship started to sink, and he managed to survive, on a plank, etc. So he made a vow with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, if you save my life and take me to the shores, then I will dedicate my life for you. I will open a Darul Ulum in South Africa. That time there was no Darul Ulum in South Africa. I'm talking about early 60s. So that time there was no Darul Ulum in South Africa. So he was one of the first graduates as a scholar that came to the shores of South Africa after the Cape Townians. Obviously, the Indonesians came first and then they settled in Cape Town, then, 300 years ago, after that. So when he came, Alhamdulillah, Allah Ta'ala utilized him for the first Darul Ulum in South Africa, Darul Newcastle. Until now, when you go there, it's written, and this incident is written, that this is how this Darul Ulum was established, because he made a vow with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.